If you're struggling with the Praxis Business Education Content Knowledge 5101 exam, Professional Business Education, this video is going to change everything for you. Hi, I'm Selena, a teacher with 21 years of classroom experience and a test prep expert with Study.com. In this video, we'll break down key concepts and strategies to help you master professional business education and feel confident on test day. Stick around till the end for a powerful tip to help boost your score. Let's dive in. Which of the following is the most important advantage of being involved in a student organization? A, having a valuable addition to your resume. B, personal and professional growth. C, making friends. Or D, showing potential employers that you are serious about business. Let's walk through the process of elimination. A is incorrect. While true, this is a secondary benefit, not the most important one. C is incorrect. Social connections are helpful, but the question asks for the most important advantage. D is incorrect. This can result from involvement, but it's an outcome, not the main advantage. The correct answer is B. When you get involved in student organizations, you will have experiences that you cannot learn inside the classroom. You will be exposed to different business concepts and hands-on environments. What is the best promotional tool in recruiting students into a business program? A, advertising. B, word of mouth. C, sales promotion. Or D, sponsorship. A, advertising can raise awareness, but it's least personal and often less convincing. C, sales promotions work for products, not education programs. D, sponsorship can build visibility, but it doesn't directly persuade students to enroll. The correct answer is B. Word of mouth is the best promotional tool in recruiting students. You just have to have a good advisory committee and active strategies. Which member of Congress advocated very strongly for legislation that provided federal budget money to career and technical education and is still in effect today? A, Carl Perkins. B, Robert Wagner. C, Henry Clay. Or D, Mitch McConnell. B, Robert Wagner is known for labor legislation, not CTE funding. C, Henry Clay is famous for the 19th century compromises, not modern education policy. D, Mitch McConnell is a current senator not associated with CTE legislation. The correct answer is A. Carl Perkins, a U.S. House of Representative congressman, advocated very strongly for the technical education legislation that started the Vocational Education Act of 1963 and was later renamed after him. This legislation has been reauthorized many times, most recently in 2006, and is now called the Carl D. Perkins Career and Technical Education Act of 2006. Which of the following is a reason for business education programs to incorporate real-world opportunities? A, students will learn how to apply their book knowledge while they're on the job. B, students can learn how to develop solutions to theoretical problems. C, students can make connections between the theory and business case studies. Or D, students will not be more motivated to learn. B is incorrect. Developing solutions to theoretical problems doesn't involve real-world practice. C is incorrect. Case studies are simulated examples, not real-world experiences. D is incorrect. The statement is negative and false. Real-world learning increases motivation, not decreases it. The correct answer is A. Real-world opportunities show students that what they have learned in books has real-world applications. Now that you've worked through a few sample questions, let's take a closer look at what this part of the Praxis Business Education Content Knowledge 5101 exam, Professional Business Education, is really measuring. This part of the exam will evaluate your understanding of the professional foundations of business education, how to prepare students for the workforce, connect classroom learning to real-world experiences, and promote personal and professional growth. In the practice questions, you saw examples of concepts like student organization involvement, effective recruitment strategies, and the importance of career and technical education legislation. The goal isn't just to remember facts, it's to understand how business education prepares students for lifelong success by building skills, leadership, and confidence. For more practice, check out our Praxis 5101 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our Praxis Business Education Content Knowledge Test Prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy studying.